for shopping to go and start this beautiful trip. What are you doing, Mr. Mehmet? Are you buying some alcohol for us?
Yes. 200 gram alalım ya.
Hello, welcome back to Shanti Road. I'm Eli, and here is one of the most beautiful cities of Turkey, Marmaris. We are not in Marmaris actually right now, but it's Marmaris province, like around the Marmaris. And I am going with my friends to a really exciting tour with boat for one night. Let's share it together.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes.
Some of them are really small, but some of them are really big and beautiful, full of design. And I have no idea actually. Our friend's yacht is a big one, a small one, and how it looks. But yes, some of them are just so beautiful. Like the design and the shape and the size is something like a hotel, but all of them are for people. They are not for public. I mean, none of these boats here are the public boats. And yeah, let's see.
Is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
So the first rule is take off the shoes, and we take off. We are going to start this trip with Mehmet.
Yes, hello.
Hello. Yildiz, the mother of Tankut, which is there. He's working now. And Yildizcan, her name is so beautiful actually. It means star, so it's really nice. And Tankut, hello.
Hello.
I'm going to show you this beautiful boat. Start from here. It's a kitchen. It's a living room and bedroom, and two other bedroom, one here and another one here. Oh, I like this one. I think I will take this one. It's beautiful. And this table, which I don't know, I think it's for, yeah, it's for the Capitan, which is Tankut, and it's me. So Capitan is working. So unfortunately, Tankut and his mother don't know English. I should translate everything, but it will be great because I know a little bit Turkish, and also Mehmet knows Turkish and English, both of them, so we don't have problem about it. That's all.
All the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart.
So he's opening the wind power. This. Oh, yeah. Where are we going?
We are going anywhere.
Anywhere. Nice. 300,000
300,000 Turkish lira.
for how long?
And also, I mean, ne kadar alıyor yani kaç ay?
12 ay yıllık.
Yeah. for a year.
For 1 year?
And
Oh.
also you have to pay for the electricity and water. It's
Just for
extra.
just for parking the boat
Yes.
there.
Yes.
Ah, okay, it's expensive.
It's extra.
Duş var, tuvalet var.
Yeah.
Ondan işte.
Her şey var.
Yeah, they have to take a shower and
Yeah.
they have a toilet. Restroom.
Tankut, how long it takes you get the license for this?
About 7 years.
7 years it takes for getting license. Oh, it's long time.
7 years. I working hard this area. All agency area.
Ah, nice.
There are the things I want to know.
Oh, it's so peaceful. First it has started with a really strong wind, but no, there is no wind, and we are going there, like at the end of this tunnel somehow. And it's just so chill, so comfortable, really lovely, really lovely place. I love it. So we are getting prepared for the best part of the day. I'm so hungry, and yeah, it's the table is not ready yet, but it's going to be ready soon. And I just tried something here. This one they call sarma, and it's rice with lots of flavor and meat and lots of things. And not meat, sorry. And in Iran they make it with meat, but here no. And it was the best one that I tried in my life. It was just so delicious, and I'm waiting for just jump on it. I wish other people don't eat it much, because I really want to finish whole. It's so delicious, you cannot believe it. Merhaba. Oh, he's selling fruits and vegetables. Oh, it's so beautiful. I didn't expect it. So I think it's for people that they have they stay here for longer time, and it's a sunset time, so lots of them just understand that they don't have lots of things that they need, and this guy just go with all these vegetables, and yeah, they can buy from him, but we had everything, so we didn't. So don't say anyone, okay? I want to take one more sarma. Yes.
Anladın mı?
I really wish you could taste it. It just has a taste of heaven. You know, it's grape leaves. They make it in grape leaves, that they put that rice and other stuff inside it. Maybe you can see something like this. The taste of heaven.
She produced everything by herself.
Sarma. Ben sarma çok seviyorum right now.
Not sarma, sarma.
So I slept here last night. It was a really amazing night. I couldn't shoot any video because it was so dark and my camera wasn't enough quality for this. And yeah, I sleep 2-3 hours, I guess, and I wake up here, and I want to show you the view from here, which is so narrow, but so beautiful. Let's go back up. We have the board, but we don't have paddle. No one swim as much as Yıldız swim. She's there now. She turned all around here. So paddle boarding time start, and Mehmet did his first paddling.
Yeah.
He fall in water, but I couldn't shoot it.
No. Should I stand?
Should I believe on myself? Remembering old skills? Or no? So already after 7 years I'm doing it again, but I don't know, I'm a bit terrified to stand up, but maybe I do it. Now I want to show you the view from this angle.
Little bit dry.
So it's more than 24 hours that we are in the boat, and we are going back slowly, and we will visit some small islands like this one, and then we will. How was your trip, Mehmet Bey?
It was great. We had a great night and a day. Almost like 24 hours, more than 24 hours, yeah. Good drinks and nice meal.
Good view.
And good view, nice swimming. We had a lot of fun, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, like, we should ask, how was your trip? Did you like it?
Yes, for me it was amazing. Really
Yes,
enjoyable.
You are our guest.
Thank you, Captain.
Welcome.
It was a really great trip. We really enjoyed.
Welcome for me.
Thank you Yıldızcığım. Güzel ekmek. Yemek.
Sarma.
Sarma. Yemek, güzel yemek. Not ekmek.
Yes.
Teşekkür ederim. Yeah, finished. Sadly finished, but it was really great.